In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Doc in Notion. This simple Notion tutorial is designed specifically for beginners. So if you're new to using these tools and you want to seamlessly incorporate your Google Docs into Notion, you're in the right place. This can be particularly useful for organizing your documents, keeping everything accessible in one place, and enhancing your productivity. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening the Google Doc that you wish to embed. Make sure you have it on hand, because having it ready will streamline the entire process. Once you're looking at the document you want to share, the next step is to get the shareable link. This is crucial because the link is what allows Notion to access and display your Google Doc within its pages. To obtain the share link, you'll need to navigate to the upper right-hand corner of your Google Doc and click on the Share button. A window will pop up showing the sharing settings for your document. Here, you need to make sure that the link sharing settings are adjusted according to your preferences, especially if you're sharing this document within a team or with other collaborators. Once you've set the necessary permissions, click the Copy Link button to copy it to your clipboard. Now that you have the link, let's switch over to Notion. Open the page where you want to embed your Google Doc. Once you're on the desired Notion page, click where you'd like to add the document. Now to insert your Google Doc, you'll want to use the / command. Simply type #embed into the Notion page. This will bring up a menu with different options for what you can embed in Notion. What you're looking for is the option to embed a link. Select this option and you'll see a field where you can paste the URL you copied earlier. This is the moment you've been working towards. Go ahead and paste the share link of your Google Doc into the provided field. Once you do this, Notion will take a moment to retrieve the document and display it within your page. You should see a live view of your Google Doc right inside Notion, allowing you to view and reference it without having to leave Notion at all. This makes coordinating your work between Notion and Google Docs smoother and incredibly efficient. And there you have it. Your Google Doc is now embedded in Notion, ready for you to interact with it as needed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. Embedding Google Docs in Notion can be a game changer for managing your digital workspace, and I'm glad I could guide you through this simple process. Thank you for joining today. And don't forget to check out more tutorials for all your digital organization needs.